Are you tired of living with the pain and discomfort of inflammatory bowel disease? Discover a breakthrough program that can change your life. Overcoming IBD by Lyrae Willis provides a holistic approach to managing IBD. It's a step-by-step program designed to empower individuals suffering from IBD symptoms. Imagine finding relief without dependence on medication. This program offers not just symptom relief but long-term solutions. Firstly, the program helps you identify food triggers. You'll learn which foods to avoid to prevent inflammation, and how to create a safe food list for reintroduction. Secondly, restoring gut microbiome balance is crucial. You'll discover foods that nurture healthy gut bacteria, promoting better digestion. Thirdly, stress reduction techniques are emphasized. Simple strategies will help you manage stress, enhancing your digestive health effectively. The benefits of overcoming IBD are clear. It's a drug-free solution that empowers you to take control of your health. You'll receive personalized healing insights, enabling you to tailor the program to your unique needs. Many users report sustained symptom relief for months, empowering them to enjoy life fully. The program is user-friendly. It covers all essential areas of dietary management and stress techniques in a simple, practical manner. Lyrae Willis brings over 30 years of experience. Her methods are backed by credible research and patient insight, making her program a trustworthy choice. Don't just take our word for it. Many users have shared their success stories, praising the power of this program to transform their health. In conclusion, overcoming IBD offers a comprehensive, evidence-based approach to healing. Are you ready to reclaim your life and enjoy better health naturally? Click the link in the description to download the Overcoming IBD ebook by Lyrae Willis today. Experience the journey to lasting health and well-being.